Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Microsoft Printer PDF printer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If pairs you are accidentally uninstalled it, let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type Windows Features. Windows F8 Features. Here Windows Feature turn on or off. Click on it, open, and please wait guys. Now here you need to search for Microsoft Printer PDF. Scroll down guys. If in your computer if is unchecked, you need to check this box, and after that click on OK. After that, then it may be have go ahead and download and solve the application files to install on your computer. For that process done, you go ahead and restart your computer guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.